I got a parcel in the mail. It's from ProDirect. Let's open it up. So should be able to tell what this is straight away by the box that's right next to it, because I now have 2 pairs. So this is the brand new Nike Mercurial Vapor 1 Cinder. Managed to pick up 2 pairs, one in a 9.5, one in a 10. 9.5 I had to get, I wanted a 10 in both so I could double up. However, Nike sold out on 10 super fast. There was only apparently 7,777 pairs in the world. Here are 2 of them. Let's open them up. So open up the 10. Here is a look at the label. As you can see here, pick these up UK 10. This is what the label looks like. So it says on it Mercurial Vapor 1 RGN SE FG. They only came in FG. It's a little bit of a shame, but we'll open these up. Here we have the white paper. Also comes with a boot bag, which I'll show you first. So the boot bag is brown with Mercurial logo, Nike Mercurial logo on the front, and brown on the back with the kind of golden orange drawstrings on the side. Move that to the side. Here they are. They are really nice. So I'll take them out. And I've already unboxed the 9.5s on my TikTok channel, so I'll take these out as well. Like I said, pick these ones up from Nike, and then these ones for ProDirect. Obviously, here they both are. They're incredible. Check them out. They look so good. So Nike is going through a phase of re-releasing old pairs, maybe because Adidas did it with the Predator and the F50, so maybe Nike's trying to jump on that. But let's take a closer look at this brand new boot. So this is the Nike Mercurial Vapor Dark Cinder. It is really nice in colour, and I actually don't normally say that because I'm not really a big fan of brown boots. I don't know if it's just because it's a remake of a boot that was fantastic and looked amazing, but I do like this. I really do like the colour. So it's like a dark brown, as you can see all over, and then it has this golden inner glow from the sock liner and also this heel cup line right there. On the outside you have a clean white swoosh, same on the inside, and then you have an updated sole plate. So this is the Vapor 16 sole plate with the Air Zoom pocket here, which actually makes these a lot more comfortable than the Vapor 1 back in the day, which was incredibly uncomfy. Hurt so much at the heel, but looked really good. So when I talk about the heel pain that the Vapor 1 actually gave you, it gave you so much blisters. It was horrible to wear, but you looked so good wearing it. This one's a little bit different, and it's had a lot of complaints about how wide that heel section is. And I get it, people liked it when it looked like this because it looked a lot sleeker, faster, and just looked more like a speed boot. However, for me personally, this extra wide heel is very good. I've had ankle surgery and this fits me so well. The heel section here is much better for me, but I understand people with slim feet, slim ankles, it doesn't really work anymore, but for wider feet, it's much, much better. The upper itself, I believe, is called Fly Touch, if I can remember. Probably should have looked that up before doing this video, but the upper, I'm a massive fan of. It is really thin, really soft, and after 1 or 2 wears, it molds really nicely to your feet, and I'm a big fan. Maybe a little bit more of a fan than the Nike Grip Knit and kind of uppers on the Phantom GX and also the new Mercurial. I like this. So I said at the start of the video, there are 7,777 pairs in the world. However, it's not been confirmed and they're not numbered, so not entirely sure if that's correct. On the silver Mercurial Vapor 1, which you should be able to see right there, it was numbered, so you were able to tell how many pairs. I think it was 4,500. But this one isn't numbered, it's rumoured at 7,777 pairs. But what makes these special is Cristiano Ronaldo is actually wearing them. So those question marks over if his relationship with Nike was over, will he wear a Nike boot again, or will he just wear old Mercurials like he's been doing? But he's just recently stepped out in this, and it's kind of like a wholesome moment. First pair he wore for his Sporting Lisbon debut, and now he's wearing it again. Yeah, big fan of Nike marketing for doing that, and big fan of the Nike Mercurial Vapor Dark Cinder. So I've pulled down the Mercurial Vapor 1 Remake in the silver colorway here, and comparing it side by side, which one do you prefer? They're both spectacular, and the more I look at it, the more I like this one. When I first saw it, I was like, oh, why are they bringing out that colorway? But I get it. I really do get it. It's a classic, and I really like it in person. And I'm really excited to see what colorways they bring out next. Rumors, there's going to be an orange one next, but I hope they bring all of them back because I'm super excited and I want to have them all. How cool will it be with a collection of all the remakes side by side? it will look really cool. If we take a look inside the boot, so if I take out the paper shoe tree and we look at the insole here, so take out the insole, as you can see, it says CR7 Origins, created to the exact specifications of Cristiano Ronaldo, as you can see right there. I know he's wearing this pair, however, I find it hard to believe that he's wearing this exact pair. I think he would have changed some things about the boot. Maybe he would have changed the ankle area, maybe he would have changed something else. So I find it a little bit misleading when they say designed to the exact specifications of Cristiano Ronaldo, because I'm just not believing it entirely, but still a great boot. The sole plate itself has that classic traction on the Vapor 16, very, very aggressive. I would have liked to see an AG version once again and an SG version, but because it's such a special boot, I think they've just done it in one variation just to make it simple and easy to get out. They've gone for the FG, which works well. However, it's just disappointing when most people play on AG nowadays at lower levels. I get it for the higher tier players, they play on grass every single week, but for every person who's going to actually be buying these boots, playing on different surfaces. Also, we've seen another player wear these. Manchester United's Garnacho has been wearing these. Not really sure if he's allowed to, because I'm pretty sure I heard it was specifically made for Ronaldo's launch, but he's done it anyway. They looked fantastic on the pitch. But let me know down below what you think of the Dark Cinder Mercurial Vapor. Fantastic looking pair. Really happy to have these in my collection. Let me know if you got them in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day.